In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the Goddess Provisions box for the month of August. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new. Make sure you subscribe, that way you'll never miss out on another video. Today we're going to be unboxing the Goddess Provisions monthly box. Now, we're going to be doing August, and the last day to order this box is August 16th. Make sure you get your box if you're interested in everything that's in it. But before we get started, I do want to let you guys know a little bit about Goddess Provisions. It is a monthly subscription where you get spiritual items that range from oils, perfumes, snacks, crystals, books, digital downloads, tarot decks, you name it. There's like all type of spiritual things, and I have learned so much. I have expanded my own spirituality so much with the things that Goddess Provisions gives me, and it's just really fun. And it's something new, and it gives you something to do when it comes to your spirituality, which I love. You always want to keep learning. You always want to keep building on your spirituality. And it's only $33 a month, but if you get like a 6-month plan or a 12-month plan, they do give you a discount. But with this $33 a month, if you guys have been watching every single unboxing of mine, the contents inside the box, they surpass $33. I mean, there's some boxes that have been like over $280 worth of items in the box, and you only pay $33 for it. Another cool thing is they plant a tree for every single box that is sold, and everything is vegan and cruelty-free. Now, in every single Goddess Provisions unboxing, not every single, but usually I take a shot or I have some wine with you guys. I do it over a beverage with tea, coffee, whatever. Today I have a shot of a little bit of vodka. I am feeling really excited for this box. Cheers, and let's get started. Okay, so I have no idea what the theme of this box is. Right as soon as you open the box, this is everything that you see in there. I'm excited. Let's see what's in there. As always, you know I like to dig to the way bottom of the box to get that card out. That's one of my favorite things, because it tells you everything that is in the box, and then it also tells you how much it is, the website or the company name. And then it gives you a digital download that you could just download and, play around with. So here is the artwork. Now, you guys know I love these cards for their artwork. What I like to do with this is either put it in my journal or put it on my fridge. I like to get creative because it just sparks so much creativity. And then when you go inside, they tell you everything that's in it, any discount codes that you could get, really fun stuff. So I'm excited. First thing that I see here is green tea and lavender incense, burned to promote strength, spiritual healing, and to remove energy blockages. And you get 18 to 20 sticks. I don't know if I have allergies or there's no scent at all. Wait, no, there is. Ooh, it smells like a spiritual shop. So this is how big they are compared to my hand. And yes, there is a scent. It's a very calming, soothing scent, you guys. I love this, and I can't wait to burn it. What I like to do is, since all of these items are brand new and they are spiritual items, like incense is something that you can use to offer your spirits and stuff. So I am going to offer this entire thing. I don't know what's in it, but I already put it in my mind that I'm going to offer this entire box, because everything is brand new, to my spirit guides tonight. We're going to do a whole ceremony, me and my partner, and give offerings, and it's just going to be really nice. Okay, so that incense was a $15 value, and it promotes relaxation, harmony. Burn it during your healing rituals to remove energy blockages, which is something I'm kind of like doing behind the scenes on myself right now. I'm working myself to remove energy blockages from trauma. And don't worry, those videos, those spells are coming very soon, because I always want to do these on myself. And if I know that they work, if I see a difference, if I experience a shift, then I will share these spells with you. So they're coming because I see so much difference, and I'm really excited to share it with you guys. But yeah, green tea and lavender incense sticks, and these are from Goddess Provisions, so they made it themselves. So I'm excited to burn it. The next thing that I see here, if you can see, has all the chakras on it. And it's a little baggie with, what does it have inside? It's kind of heavy. Okay, I'm gonna have to show you close up. Here is what it is. It's a Chakra Stone. You guys, it's a pointed, I don't know what it's called. It's not a wand, but I am excited for this. Oh my God. The first thing that I want to say is go to my OF to learn about orgasmic magic, because this is the only thing I can think of, and the energy, it's completely orgasmic from this, I don't want to say crystal because there's so many different crystals in it. So this is a pastel rainbow chakra wand. It is a wand, okay. So use this pointed wand for energy work with the unified powers of clear quartz, amethyst, angel light, green aventurine, yellow aventurine, sunstone. Sunstone is so good because my spirits are from the ocean, and sunstone, or is it sandstone? One of those it's very closely related to the ocean. It's made up of sand, but it looks like there's gold particles in there. I don't know if that's what that is. I'm gonna have to look closer at it, but and then rose quartz crystals, and it's the perfect tool to balance and align the chakras. This is an $18 value. If you ever want to align your chakras in the easiest way possible and you are in a healthy, loving relationship, get intimate with something like this near you. The next thing I see here, this is really exciting. I don't know what it is, but look at that packaging. This is a incense holder healing hand. So you can never have enough incense holders. If you're like me, I light incense everywhere in my house. The bathroom, the guest room, the kitchen, the stove, the living room, the cat litter room. Like, I love it. It's just everywhere, and it's packaged really nicely, but I feel like I have to be really gentle with it. So let's see. It's packaged very nicely. Whoever did this, I'm impressed. I'm so excited. Okay, so it looks like it's a hand. Look at this, you guys. Look at this. It's an incense holder. And there's 3 different spots to hold your incense, and this is really, really good because not only is it reflective, but it's also like the Hamster. It also has the evil eye in it. This is very protective. I love this. I can't wait to use this. Now, secret little fun fact behind the scenes, I like to shove everything back into its original packaging after I do Goddess Provisions unboxings, because I like to go take it to my boyfriend, and then I like to see his reaction when he unboxes it, and he's like, oh, what's that? Oh my God, what's that? It's so fun. Is that how you feel when you guys watch me? Because like, that's what I literally do to him. I'll repackage everything and go just watch him unbox it. So this Hamster hand healing incense holder is a $22 value. Not bad. I would definitely pay $22 for that. It's very good quality. There's so many symbols on it. It's reflective. It's gold. Like, $22 worth it. Worth it. So many symbols, so many manifestation, just gold, and the evil eye, the hand, the number 3. If you like 3 incense, look up the angel number 3 and the meaning of the number 3. It's very powerful. The next thing I see here, it looks like a little box. I thought it was tarot, like maybe a tarot deck, but I don't think it is. It's not that heavy to be a tarot deck. Stress Reduction Essentials. It is a deck. Oh my gosh, it's a gilded deck. I think that's how you say it, but a gilded deck is basically one that has either silver or gold finish or something that is very shiny. Okay, if you guys can see, it is a deck right here, and it has front and back. And so this is really interesting because it has techniques of healing on the back. I'm really excited to get into this. If you guys want more of this, I'll probably explore more of this deck over on Patreon because I'm super interested in it. Look at this: color therapy, essential oils, journaling, community of friends, progressive muscle relaxation, imagineering, laughter, tapping. These are all methods of healing. I'm very, very excited for this because I don't have a deck like this, and whoa, looking at the images. I'm definitely going to be doing pick a card readings with this, you guys. Definitely. My intuition is going crazy with these images. I love it. Okay, this one's about to fall out. Exercise and movement. Yes, it's the whole universe telling me I need to go for a walk. Okay, so the Resonance Stress Reduction Essentials deck is $22.66, and they also give you a 30% off coupon code if you go shop at their website. So I really am excited about that deck because I love when your deck or whatever you're doing divination with gives you specific instructions of what to do. If you notice, a lot of my readings, I will pull an herb or an assignment or a journal prompt or something because you have to take some kind of action to make things get moving. And for us, it could be the simplest thing as like, just say something comes up for you to clean your clutter. Just that alone can get so much energy moving, and this entire deck is filled with things to do like that. And I'm super excited because I love incorporating things like that into my readings, because whenever something comes up in a reading where they're like, okay, you have to let this go. Usually me, even when I used to be clients of people, like my clients would say to me like, okay, but how? How do I let go? Right? And that's why I always like to pull something to help. Okay, the last thing I see here is kind of heavy. It is a copper charging plate. Oh my god, I feel like the things in this box are like, they went above and beyond. Above and beyond with this box. A copper charging plate. It's packaged so well. And this is from actually Goddess Provision. So this is Goddess Provision's brand. Because some of the things in the box are not always Goddess Provision brand. I'm so excited for this. Guys, this is what it looks like. If you guys can see, oh my gosh. So you can actually put your offerings on top of this plate. You can charge your water on top of this plate. You can charge your crystals on top of this plate, your oils, your tarot deck. Copper is very good for charging things. It electrifies things. It charges things up very, very nicely. And with all that symbolism on it, at how much is this copper? So this copper charging plate is a $33 value. So already you pay for the box, you paid for this copper plate plus all the rest of those things in there. So well worth $100 in this box. Very, very well worth it. And they do give you a digital bonus. Now the digital bonus has to do with the 7 chakras. And it's a chakra guide that you could use as a map to understand the connection between your physical body, your mindset, your emotions, and your energy. So it's a $12 value, and it's just a short little class that you could take to learn more about chakras. So I would say this box is one of my favorite ones this year because of just the value in it. Like, what is this? It's really interesting because I actually want to get this leaf tattooed all over my entire hand, and it's really funny that it came in exact designs. That's fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching. If you get the Goddess Provisions box, let me know if you liked it. The last day to order this August box is August 16th, which is probably either today or tomorrow, because I am uploading this a little bit late because, as you guys know, I do have a very old dog and his health is not doing the best, so I'm trying to navigate taking care of him as well as my business and YouTube. So be a little patient with me, and I'll talk to you very, very soon. Bye!